Shelbyville to get our kayaks and stick around to see what animals we can find. Garth ain't coming, but he says hi.
First, let's look on how to identify catfish by species. Lake Shelbyville has channel catfish and flathead catfish. While blue catfish typically aren't seen in this lake, they can be found in the southern parts of the Kaskaskia River. Blue and channel catfish both have forktails, while a flathead catfish has more like a paddle tail. Blue and flathead catfish get much larger than channel catfish. Some can get over 100 pounds. Channel catfish are much, much smaller than that. The record-holding channel catfish was caught in South Carolina weighing 58 pounds. Now, let's check out our first catch of the day.
My dad just caught a beautiful channel catfish. You see, these are actually one of the most popular catfish in Illinois. And in ideal conditions, they can live up to 40 years. And if you listen closely, you can hear his noise, the sound that he makes. And he's full of eggs. And I've seen how many eggs a catfish can hold in. It's nothing more of a dozen. Well, we should probably put her back. My name is Stacey Ecothills, and this was the first catfish of the day.
Now, let's look at the biggest catch of the day. This guy was pretty good sized. Channel catfish have an elongated, slightly flattened body. They are an olive brown color that fades into pale yellow or white sides, more like an off-white belly. Their color can actually change depending on their habitat. Catfish living in clear water appear much darker, ranging from slate blue to almost black, while fish living in muddy or murky water look like this one, a little lighter olive color, I would say. Males actually get darker during mating season. Here's the next one we caught. The channel catfish have taste buds distributed over the surface of an entire body. These buds are especially concentrated on the 4 pairs of barbels, aka whiskers, surrounding their mouths. These taste receptors give them an excellent sense of smell and taste, making it easier to find food in dark, muddy waters. And they are omnivores. They eat insects, mollusks, crustaceans, small fish, algae, and aquatic plants. Now, let's look at the birds we saw today. These are double-crested cormorants. They are common sights on Lake Shelbyville, and they're migratory birds and can be spotted diving for fish in the open water or resting with their wings spread out on a dead tree or driftwood. We couldn't get super close without spooking them, so here's a picture of one so you can see what they look like better. Up close, you can see these birds have very striking features. From a distance, they look just black birds, just full black. But as you can get closer, you can see they have amazing eyes and they have a bright yellow-orange face. Their beaks are really cool looking too. These guys are vital to a healthy ecosystem and they help maintain a healthy fish population. They cycle nutrients through guano, which is fish poop. I know it sounds gross, but it's super important. They also serve as vital indicators for aquatic pollution. Now, let's see the coolest birds on Lake Shelbyville. We saw bald eagles today. These two are flying above and circling around us. If you keep watching, you'll see one dive down to the water in an attempt to catch prey. Abel wants to tell you a little something about them too.
Everyone knows bald eagles are the national symbol of the United States. They are famous for their white heads, tails, massive wingspans up to 8 feet, and their incredible eyesight. They actually don't get their white heads until 4 or 5 years old. Juveniles have a mottled brown color.
Here's a picture showing the physical differences throughout their lifespan. Great job, Abel! Did you know eagles were once a critically endangered species? At one point, there were only 417 nesting pairs left in the wild. But due to decades of conservation efforts and the banning of harmful pesticides like DDT, their populations have rebounded so successfully they were removed from the federal endangered species list in 2007. It used to be pretty rare to spot one, but now we see them all the time at the lake.
Okay, TC fans, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Make sure to share it with your friends. Our next goal is 200 subscribers. Let's see how long it takes us to do it.